The influencer of the day is Wilsh, and I got influenced by him to buy Snail Mucin Essence 96 by CosRX. So this is not my first time watching Robert Wilsh. I have been sort of following for a while now. The first thing you will see when you buy it, it says being 96% snail secretion filtrate, this essence helps the skin to lose less moisture while keeping the skin smooth and healthy. So what is snail mucin? This snail secrete coming out of its body, like if this is a snail, on top there is a shell, bottom part of it, a very soft, very vulnerable part of snail's body. And as the snail is sort of walking by everywhere, climbing the rocks, climbing the trees, the sensitive skin is getting exposed to harsher materials, and there's some fluid, some excrete that comes out of its body. CosRX collects and then filters and gives it to us in this form. That fluid is meant to protect and form a barrier between snail's vulnerable side of the body and the tree or the rock. I've seen so many YouTubers talk positively about it, and when it recently launched in India, it was always out of stock. Like for about 3 months I tried to get my hands on it. So coming to the ingredients, being 96% snail secretion filtrate mucin, this essence helps the skin to lose less moisture while keeping the skin smooth and healthy. Let's talk about my experience with it. Did it really do everything that it claims? Nourishing, yes. Barrier forming, I think so. Moisturizing, healing, yes. Coming to its claim of skin elasticity, yes, I felt a difference in skin elasticity. So if you are aging and you feel like you're losing skin elasticity, do go for this. So that was about, does it deliver the claims? Coming to what I felt as a user, just independent of everything this claims, felt like after about 2-3 days, it gave my skin a glow, like I could visibly see it. If I'm using this, I can just apply a little bit of concealer, dust off powder, and my skin looks really evened out and very glowy. Like you know, when you use CC cream, BB cream, the kind of glow your skin gets sometimes if you get the right shade. This is what allows me to sort of go without a layer on my skin. There were some small lumps and bumps I sort of had on my skin, and after using it for about 2-3 days, that sort of went away. I don't know if they've mixed glycolic acid in it, because that kind of skin clarity comes from exfoliants and glycolic acids. I mean, on the website it says 62% snail mucin, so there have to be other ingredients too, right? How do I use it? So I use it in daytime and nighttime routine both. Wash my face in the morning and then apply it directly. I especially have seen it give extraordinary results when I use it with hyaluronic acid serum. I have one Be Minimalist ka hyaluronic acid 2% plus vitamin B5. Apply that, mist my face, and then apply this, and be sure to mist your face with this, or at least be in a higher humidity climate, because this does have a considerable amount of hyaluronic acid. And the thing about hyaluronic acid is, to get the most of it, you must supply it with some H2O molecule. More on that, I've made a video on the correct way to use hyaluronic acid. You can sort of check that out. Whichever skincare product you see hyaluronic acid in, use that method with it, and the skincare will give you much better results. Okay, coming back to this product, this is all I used in Chennai and in Hyderabad and in Pondicherry and in Vizag for about 3 months, and then I finished this much of product. I still have this much left. They give a really good quantity. You get 100 ml for a good price. Where can you buy it? In India, you can buy it from Nykaa, definitely. All of us know about Nykaa. Also, the other place I would really recommend you can buy it is, do check out Beauty Bay and Macaroon.in. This video is not sponsored by them. I bought this with my own money. Because those websites, I see them having this product all the time. Nykaa, on the other hand, it just comes within 2-3 days, it's out of stock again. I should know, because I've already bought a second bottle. This is my first, and there's one more bottle waiting in the vanity for me once I finish it. Yes, I love it that much. And just a secret between us, don't tell anybody that I bought the second bottle without finishing the first. So Macaroon has some discounts also. I see them constantly having discounts. I mean, we only think of Nykaa because it's so famous, but there are so many smaller websites that sort of have the product and give you a lot of discount. Now, will I buy it again? I already have. So I will finish these 2 bottles and then decide if I want to buy a 3rd bottle or not. I will share my complete experience when I do the empties video, which will be after 2-3 months, I think. Am I happy getting influenced by Robert Welch? Hell yes. I am aware that not every time you buy something that an influencer is recommended, you're going to be happy with it. Many times I've bought few things by influencers and I've had horrible experiences, but this is one of the times where I feel very glad that I bought it. This certainly is a skincare gem. He also recommended Bee Propolis, Full Fit Bee Propolis by COSRX. I'm so happy with his recommendation of snail essence that I sort of have my eye on that. Maybe once I finish these 2 bottles, that will be the 3rd thing I buy. So have you guys tried out COSRX Bee Propolis? How is it? Have you tried out any of COSRX products? What has been your experience? It's not a rhetorical question, I'm genuinely interested. Lately, I've been a lot into skincare, so do tell me in the comments.